I just created 5 affiliate marketing videos and an email sequence for my silent commission system. No scriptwriter, no video agency, no weeks of planning. I did it with an AI assistant called Claude. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we did it together. So let's look at how this whole process works. So what I'm going to have is an opt-in form, or a squeeze page, some might say. And this is where I capture the name and the email address of the person. They then go onto my email autoresponder. And the first email that goes out, it sends out a Google document. So that's their freebie that they're going to be getting. So as I mentioned, all the leads are coming into our autoresponder. And then I'm going to have 5 emails which are scheduled to go out in the autoresponder on different days. And in each of those emails, I'm going to be giving some general information, and I'm also going to be giving a link to a video. So we're going to be having 5 emails, and in each of those 5 emails we have a video. So we have 5 emails and 5 videos. So that's how the process works. So let me get started now and show you how I created the videos using Claude. So what I did was I gave my lead magnet to Claude. So I asked Claude to look at this and to come up with some video ideas. So it went through and it suggested a few things. So I just gave it a very simple prompt here saying, okay Claude, please outline the 5 video topics. Just give the 1 to 5 content titles. So it's come back here with some potential titles for each of the videos. So the real reason you're not getting results online, why choosing the wrong offer is killing your chances before you start, etc, etc. So I was reasonably happy with that. So I've said here, okay, let's start fleshing this out. The videos should not be long, 4 minutes at most, start with 1. So Claude's come back here saying for a 4-minute video, you're looking at roughly 500 to 550 words of spoken script. Comfortable pace, no rushing, room for natural pauses. And it's given me the full script here for video 1. So here it is. It's outlined the script. So it's given the hook here. This is the first part, the hook. Then it comes down to the problem here. And then it comes down to the real reason section. And there's a section where it does a shift, and you finally got a closing section here. And then it's given me some advice on the delivery of the script. So it's saying that I need to pause in certain places when I'm narrating the script out. And here I've asked it if we could switch from a document to PowerPoint slides. So it's saying that it might actually work better. Keep each slide to one idea only. Use simple clean template, your voice is your personality, screen recording tools are simple. So it says here, good, now I'll build a presentation. It's saying it's going to give me a dark navy theme, clean and professional, 1 idea per slide, with speaker notes containing the exact script lines for each slide. So here's your video 1 deck, 8 slides, dark navy theme, fully consistent branding throughout. So it's telling me here what's in each slide. So there's 8 slides here, and then it gives me the download link. So all I do is download that PowerPoint presentation to my computer, and then I open it up, and this is what we have. So this is the first slide deck that Claude has given me. As you can see, it's a PowerPoint presentation. It has 8 slides in here. I'll just flick through them briefly. So it's done quite a good job, I think. It looks quite nice, quite neat. Good presentation, I think. And then what I'd do is I'd play that PowerPoint presentation and I'd be recording the screen with some video editing software. In this case, it's something called Camtasia. And once I've done that, I would just then export it as a video file. So then I would have my video file containing the slides and the voice. and then I ask it to do video number 2. So we're going through the same process here, and then at the end it gives me the download for video number 2. I also asked Claude to write me an email sequence, and here it is. So it's talking about day 1, warm brief, builds on the PDF they just received, teases the introvert angle without giving it away, and a soft link mentioned below the video. And it does that for 4 emails here. So what we did was we refined that section, and then it started to flesh out some of the emails. So you can see here email number 4 sent on day 7, and you can see it's given me a nice email here. And of course my call to action for the video link is in that email right here. So then I would take those emails that Claude has given me and maybe tidy them up, make some adjustments, and then I would add them into my autoresponder. So now let me show you how all this comes together. So this is the opt-in page I'm using. It's called the Silent Commission System, and it's basically about how you can make commissions without having to DM people on Facebook and getting into conversations with strangers. So when they opt in, they put in their first name, their email address, and then they click start the free 5-day guide. They get sent this Google document called the Silent Commission System. And then in my autoresponder, they get sent these 5 emails over 5 days. Now I've actually put a 6th email in here, and I'm going to be putting many more. But essentially it's a 5-day email series, a 5-day video series. So if I open up one of those emails, we can see this is what Claude has created, and in here we can see it has the video link. So if I click that, it takes me directly to the page that has the video. So down the bottom here it also has a call to action. So let's now play the video. Hello and welcome to the Silent Commission System. So this is the first video in a series of 5. So as you can see, we can use Claude AI to implement this workflow and create video content that will complement our lead magnet. So that's the process. 5 videos, 5 emails, 1 lead magnet, built together with AI in a way that I don't think would have been possible working alone in the same time frame. So what I want you to take away from this is not that AI does the work for you. What it does is help you think more clearly, move faster, and produce something more consistent than you'd likely manage grinding through it solo. The Silent Commission System itself is live, and if you're curious about the content we built, the link is in the description. You can opt in, go through the video series, and see the finished product for yourself. No obligation, just take a look. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.